So hello guys and welcome to my new video of how to make an app that could wish anyone happy birthday with a song. This would be a pleasant for any person to be for any person. Yeah, so let's get started. First, as usual, I will add a vertical arrangement. Okay, make it full parent so it covers the full screen and make it center S to 3. Okay. We'll make it visible only. Okay, so the background color which I want now is somewhat pink. No, that would not look nice. This would be cyan would be okay. So now firstly I would add a label. Okay, so then we will add text box. Okay, and then we would add a button. Okay, and make this hint, enter your name, enter your name, okay, enter, and height no, and its width is fill parent. Okay, width is fill parent and no text. Okay, and make this around 18. Okay, 18 would do. Now text for label 1 would be, please enter your name below. Please enter your name and increase its size to 25, right? 25 would be fine, I think. Yeah, so 25 is okay. And text for button 1 is continue. Okay, continue. Enter. Okay, now I would add a sound player so that it would play the sound. Okay, now I would make this visible off. Okay, and I would add another layout vertical that would be vertical arrangement again. Make it fill parent and this also fill parent. Okay, so then I would now add an image and label. Okay, label. So make it center is to 3. Okay, so now I would upload 2 files. One would be a happy birthday file and the next would be the song. Okay, so I have already downloaded. I would share the zip file of this in the description. Okay, open. Yeah, so it is uploaded. Okay, and now I would make this fill parent, width and height as fill parent, and this also fill parent. Okay, and picture would be yt.jpg. Okay, so this is our picture. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Okay, and remove all the text. Set its to 25 would be fine. Okay, and test it, and you may test it. That is this size fine. Okay, so this size is fine, and don't make it clickable. Set this background color to red. Okay, red would look nice. Okay, so now what you have to do is to just code. You go in player 1 settings and make it loop. Okay, and source would be traditional happy birthday song. Okay, and now just we have to code for this. First we will do when screen 1 dot initial. No, this one is wrong. Okay, when screen 1 dot initialize, and then the second is when button 1 dot peak. So these two. Okay, so this would be there, and the next would be we will have to make label 2, set label 2 dot text to text box 1 dot text. Okay, text box 1 dot text. Okay, this would make for button 1, and for button 2 we will copy and paste this as it is. Okay, not as it is, one change we will make. And sorry, yes, so the code is also ready. So guys, we are ready with the code and everything. make sure here in screen 1 you find this title. Just remove this title, okay, and turn vertical arrangement to invisible. Okay, rest everything is fine. Like, share and subscribe if you like this unique idea of how to make this app. And yes, please do see it, and it would work on 99% Android mobiles. Well, it would work on every Android mobile. Okay, I would attach the assets zip if you want. Okay, and this time, as the code is very simple, I would not attach the AIA file. Okay, so you may see it till end. And I'm also not showing the demo this time, as I've already tested this app and this will work. Okay, so just this much code and it would work. Okay. Yes, and make sure you enter the text in text box 1, because what you enter in text box 1 would be displayed as the name. Okay, wishing you a very happy birthday, and here it will display the name. Okay, so thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe, because your like is a very big motivation for us, and thank you.